The Badlands Guardian, also known as Indian head or woman's head, is a geomorphological feature located near Medicine Hat in the southeast corner of Alberta, Canada. Viewed from the air, the feature has been said to resemble a human head wearing a full Indigenous type of headdress, facing directly westward. Additional man-made structures have been said to resemble a pair of earphones worn by the figure. The apparent earphones are a rodent and oil well, which were installed recently and are expected to disappear once the project is abandoned. Its scale is much larger than the figures of Mount Rushmore.The head is a drainage feature created through an erosion of soft, clay-rich soil by the action of wind and water. The arid badlands are typified by infrequent but intense rain showers, sparse vegetation, and soft sediments. The head may have been created during a short period of fast erosion immediately following intense rainfall. Although the image appears to be a convex feature, it is actually concave, that is, a valley, which is formed by erosion on a stratum of clay, and is an instance of the hollow face illusion. Its age is estimated to be in the hundreds of years at a minimum. The feature was discovered in 2005 by Lynn Hickox on Google Earth. In 2006, suitable names were canvassed by CBC Radio One program As It Happens. Out of 50 names submitted, 7 were suggested to the Cypress County Council. They altered the suggested Guardian of the Badlands to become Badlands Guardian. The Badlands Guardian was also described by the Sydney Morning Herald as a net sensation. PCWorld magazine has referred to the formation as a geological marvel. The Guardian was also covered by Canada's Global Television. It is listed as the 7th of the top 10 Google Earth finds by Time magazine. Apophenia. Face on Mars, photographed by Viking 1 in 1976. Inukshuk, traditional native Arctic people stone marker statuaries in Alaska and Arctic Canada. Marcahuasi, a plateau in the Andes, near Lima, Peru with numerous rock formations with surprising likenesses to specific animals, people, and religious symbols. Old Man of the Mountain, former rock profile in New Hampshire, collapsed on May 3, 2003. Old Man of Hoy, a rock pillar off Scotland that resembles a standing man. Pareidolia, the phenomena of perceiving faces in random patterns.